A lot of work goes into repairing and maintaining buildings and facilities, and United Rentals' dedicated facilities maintenance team stands ready to support you all the way. From power washers and sweepers for cleaning sidewalks and streets, to bucket trucks, dump trucks, and wood chippers for removing debris after a storm, to the wide array of equipment needed for drying and powering buildings. Man and machine must work together to keep everything running smoothly. With the largest fleet in North America, United Rentals Facilities Maintenance and Restoration divisions have the equipment, services, and expertise you need to clean, dry, and repair facilities of all sizes. We work united with you to get the job done on time and on budget, developing a complete rental solution fit to your building specifications. For internal repairs or maintenance, we've got equipment that's safe and certified to operate indoors. Forklifts, scissor lifts, vacuums, sweepers, scrubbers, carpet cleaners, and more. All available at our local branches and ready to work at a moment's notice. Our equipment is telematics enabled, so you can track usage and make adjustments to increase productivity and efficiency. Plus, with total control, you'll have access to improved visibility and control over your fleet from any laptop, phone, or other connected device. For all your OSHA-required equipment training, United Rentals offers courses through United Academy to properly train your equipment operators and contractors. From disaster recovery to equipment rentals and simple maintenance, United Rentals is your one-stop partner, providing everything you need to keep your building running smoothly. United Rentals is ready to assist you with whatever project your facility may have. We specialize in hospitals, universities, retail spaces, data centers, airports, high-rises, warehouses, arenas, and a wide array of sites within the hospitality space. Contact us today, and let's get to work on your next project.